22 and a half, last call, done then. 22 and a half. You're right, well done, sir. 22 and a half thousand pounds.
Look happier. Look happier than that. Look cuter.
I'm always on your team, I got your back, alright. Taking those losses if it treats you right. I wanna put you into the spotlight. If the world would only know what you've been holding back. Heart attacks every night. Oh, you know it's not right.
Yeah. Oh, I'm really sorry if this is a boring video. What we've done is we've brought the lambs in to weigh them so that they can go to the collection centre. And there's just a couple with tender feet, so I'm just going to do.
She live a life hand in a tight glove. I wish that I could fix it for you. But it's gonna be right here coming through. I will follow you way down, wherever you may go. I follow you way down to your deepest low. I'll always be around, wherever life takes you. You know I follow you. You know I follow you. Wherever life takes you. You know I follow you.
Ooh, toenail clippers. I am fancy. God, I'm such a shepherdess. Ooh, Bergen and ball. These are exciting. Simple things these days. Like clothes and handbags and, you know, now it's sheep toenail clippers. I do have fallen. So this is a lamb that had dry stripe. I just wanted to show you progress. He's totally healed. He's just got like a flaky bit of skin there. And you can see how much is actually just placed. Etsy. I really wish you'd leave me alone. I must have the smell right. I'll show you what I'm doing. It's foisty and tender, so I'm just gonna spray it with. Stop it! Oh my god, you're embarrassing me. I'm just gonna spray it. Literally gonna hold my foot, open the hoof. I want it to be fair dry. You've got a limp as well. Well, I've used since you're desperate to be here. Isn't he ugly? He's called Jacob. Hi, Jacob. Hello. See me try and tip Jacob upside down? Okay, right, bear with me. Yeah, I know I'm doing it. I'll do it now. I'll do it. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Right, Jacob, stop it. Jacob, stop it. There's technically nothing wrong with you. I think you just saw. I think he's attention seeking. Got a sore foot, he just wants to be near me. This, if I go and stand over here, he'll just come and like stand with his head against me, and I don't know what it means. What does it mean? What does it mean? I think he fancies me. I think he fancies me. Are you jealous? Are you jealous? It's for Instagram. Smile. Look happier. Look happier than that. Look cuter.
You've been crying, crying all night. You're only disappointed in yourself, alright. Taking those losses if it treats you right. I wanna take you into the sunlight.
As with the cows, these are like the drag ends of the lambs. Like, it ends up being all your curvy, nice ones go first. You were a pet lamb. All your curvy, nice ones go first, and then you're kind of left with the squarer, uglier ones towards the end. No offence, boys. They were generally either born a lot later, so they haven't grown on quite as much as the others, or they are just not quite the quality. I'm just gonna go and lead the cows into a strip along the bottom that hasn't been grazed yet, and I'll take the bike and I'll do it, and hopefully they follow me. Soon see. Local wants any sloes. Oh, look at this. Discovering things like this. I did not even know that this was here. The sloes are out. That is just lovely. Pretty. What do they taste like? Oh my god. Yeah. They're not like damsons, are they? Shit. Oh my god, my tongue's, all the moisture's gone off it. What's going on? People eat them. I'm going to use a tried and tested technique in cattle farming. Come on, baby girls, we're moving fields! American accent always works. Girls! It's a good job we have no neighbours, isn't it? Baby girl! I drove all night to get... See? Oh my god, they love Celine Dion! I drove all night to get... Oh, ding, 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 ding. Is that alright? I drove... That's nuisance and that nuisance is twin sister. Do you like them? They're both very naughty, but nuisance obviously way naughty. Don't they look like each other? Come on! Crying because of the wind. I'm crying because they love me so much. And this video is going wayward. I'm really sorry. Bull is not following me. He obviously is immune to my pop chat songs. I can't see because of a tree. He's coming. She's my best friend, best of all best friends. Will you be my best friend too? It tickles in my tummy, it feels so yummy, yummy. Are you? Hurry up! You're holding us up. Come on. Ready? Go! Come on! Yay! Come on!
You know I got your number all night. I'm always on your team, I got your back, alright. Taking those losses if it treats you right. I wanna put you into the spotlight. If the world would only know what you've been holding back.
Hi, Fox! Walking the perimeter of this and just checking how bad the fences are. Obviously we are in the process of renewing the fences, but I just want to see how bad they are and just check that everything's going to stay in, because this isn't in the middle of our field, that's somebody else's, and they've kindly moved their cows off yesterday so that ours could come in here for a bite to eat. There's a dead sheep over there, someone's. It's not ours because we don't have any sheep down here. I'll go and check. I got a sheep, what is it? Let's see why one might not be confused. Bags? And with a rock on them. I don't understand. Organic, long-term cutting with red and white clovers. There you go, that's what that is. I think someone's forgotten about them. Nice. I'll just take my bag as well. Come on, tea bags. Let's go. I hate to think of the cost of these bags. Like, really. I'm quite sure, but I wouldn't know that organic seed costs a hell of a lot more than normal seed. Everything that you drop in a field will end up in these cows' food. Just think twice before you drop some litter or let a balloon off. That's another pet hate. Don't do that either. I reach heaven, trust me. No best before on this. Where is it on a can of Coke? The expiration date says 96. 96. Jesus. Know what you're thinking. You have a Keenan, Charlotte. What's going on? Yes, you will be right. In some of my recent lives, you will have seen that we do actually have a Keenan feeder, a right-hand Keenan feeder. We haven't actually opened the pit yet, for one, so we're on round bales of silage, haylage, whatever you want to call it. Decent stuff. There is 2 farms that we farm at. This here, this is Roy's dad's house. Here we keep all young stock and anything waiting to be sold. A lot of straw beds. In fact, they're all straw beds. And we're here every day to muck out and feed up. And then at our house, we have cubicles and we feed with the Keenan. So it's just a difference of places.
£1,000 little bit, 3 bit, £3,000, £2,000 bid, £3,000 little bit at 3,000, £3,000 bid, last look at 50.
I will follow you way down, wherever you may go. I'll follow you way down to your deepest.
6,000 bid, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20,000, 22, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000. Put it to 3 healthy back, sir. 23 if you wish. 22,000, 22,500, 22,500, 22,500. Who said it's cheap? Do you want it? It's a brave thing to say that. 22,500 bid. 22,500, it's going to be sold then. Shout up if I miss your mind. At 22,500. 3 if you want to get back in. At 22,500, it's going to be sold then. At 22,500, last call, done then. 22,500. You're right, well bought, sir. 22,500 pounds. 3,015. Hold on, done then. At 3,050. You're right, sir. 3,050.
Enough love, she live a life hand in a tight glove. I wish that I could fix it for you. But instead I'll be right here coming through.
17, 18, 19.
Do you know you want it?
£1,000, £600 quid, £800 quid, £1,000.